Hello and welcome to my channel. Today I am bringing you a fabulous recipe that many people are going to enjoy, especially children: crunchy cinnamon sticks. And for this recipe, we're going to be using a sourdough starter. If you want to know how to make your own sourdough starter, I'm going to leave the link in the description below and at the end of this video. If you're new to my channel, don't forget to subscribe and share this video with somebody that might find it helpful. I also want to encourage you to leave a comment below if you have ideas or recipes that you want to share. And let's jump right into the recipe. You will need 1 cup of unbleached all-purpose flour, 1 tablespoon of ground cinnamon, half a cup of sugar, and 1 teaspoon of non-iodized salt. Then we're going to combine all those ingredients together. Next, we're going to add 3 tablespoons of melted butter and 200 grams or about 3/4 of a cup of your sourdough starter. Next, we're going to combine all those ingredients with a spatula before we switch to our hand. My hand is wet and now it's time to incorporate all of those ingredients together until there is no more sugar or flour left in the bowl. As you mix it with your hand, you're going to notice that this dough, it's a little tough. So we're going to leave it alone for a while. We're going to cover it with a plastic wrap and let it rest for about 30 minutes so that the dough can relax. After 30 minutes, preheat the oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit. I'm using an 11 by 17 inches cookie sheet and I'm lining it with parchment paper. Now we're going to knead our dough. It's going to be a little bit sticky when you take it out of the bowl, so I'm adding about a tablespoon to a tablespoon and a half of flour to my countertop, and I'm going to start kneading it for about 4 to 5 minutes. And if you get tired, it's perfectly okay to take a break. Now I'm adding about another tablespoon of flour. I'm giving you an approximate measurement of about a tablespoon of flour, but you need to get a good feel of your dough to see if it is smooth enough and not sticky anymore. The dough should be nice and smooth. And after you knead it for about 4 to 5 minutes, we're going to roll it into a log. And keep rolling it until the log is about 1 inch thick. Now it's time to cut it into 1-inch pieces. And I am going to set those pieces aside until I'm ready for the next step. Next, we're going to roll each of those individual pieces to create the form of a stick. And I'm going to use my cookie sheet to measure the length of my first piece. And then I'll use that one as a guide for the rest of the pieces. Place all of them on the cookie sheet and leave about a half an inch in between them. We're going to bake them at 350 degrees Fahrenheit for about 18 to 20 minutes, depending on your oven. Once they are done, wait a couple of minutes to transfer them to a cooling rack. They're going to be pretty hot. When they come out of the oven, they're not going to be completely crisp. You need to wait at least 30 minutes or until they cool down completely. I know it's tempting, but as they cool down, they will become more and more crisp. They are definitely worth the wait. They are a little bit sweet with a touch of cinnamon, and above all, the fun of the crispiness. It's amazing. And I hope that you have enjoyed this video. Thank you very much for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe and share this video with somebody who might enjoy it. And I hope that you have a fabulous and very blessed day. I'll see you very soon.